Another day, another story. Space is an awe-inspiring and mysterious realm that has fascinated humans for centuries. As we continue to explore and study the universe, we uncover remarkable facts and phenomena that challenge our understanding of the cosmos. Here are the top 10 facts about space that showcase its boundless wonders. Number 1. Vastness beyond imagination. Space is unimaginably vast. The observable universe spans billions of light-years, containing countless galaxies, stars, and planets. Our Milky Way galaxy alone is about 100,000 light-years in diameter. Number 2. Infinite stars. The number of stars in the observable universe is estimated to be in the order of 1 septillion, 1 followed by 24 zeros. That's more stars than there are grains of sand on Earth's beaches. Number 3. Speed of light. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, travels at approximately 186,282 miles per second, 299,792 kilometers per second. Even at this incredible speed, it takes over 4 years for light from the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, to reach us. Number 4. Black holes. These mysterious objects are formed from the remnants of massive, collapsed stars. They possess such strong gravitational pull that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. Black holes can be as small as a few miles across or as large as billions of miles. Number 5. Asteroid Threat. Earth is constantly bombarded by asteroids and meteors from space. Some are small and burn up in our atmosphere, but larger ones can pose a significant threat to our planet's safety. Understanding and monitoring these objects is crucial. Number 6. Weightlessness. Astronauts in space experience weightlessness due to the absence of gravity. This can lead to physical changes in the body, including muscle and bone loss. Despite the challenges, it's a unique environment for scientific research. Number 7. The Goldilocks Zone. The habitable zone or Goldilocks Zone around a star is the region where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist. This is a key factor in the search for extraterrestrial life. Number 8. The Multiverse Hypothesis. Some theories in cosmology suggest the existence of multiple universes or a multiverse. These universes may have different physical laws and constants, expanding the concept of our reality. Number 9. Age of the universe. The universe is estimated to be around 13.8 billion years old, based on observations of the cosmic microwave background radiation. This makes the universe nearly 9 billion years older than our solar system. Number 10. Dark matter and dark energy. More than 95% of the universe is composed of mysterious substances known as dark matter and dark energy, which do not interact with normal matter or light in the same way. Their exact nature is still one of the most significant unsolved mysteries in astrophysics. The exploration of space continues to be one of humanity's greatest adventures, with each new discovery expanding our understanding of the cosmos and the extraordinary phenomena that exist beyond our home planet. Thanks for watching.